How to turn flash light off on your iPhone. There are two ways that you can follow. If your screen is locked, then on the left side you will see flashlight icon. If you press hard on that, then it will turn it on. And if you want to turn it off, then simply press that icon. In this way, you can easily turn flashlight off. If your phone is not locked, then there is another way to turn it off. Simply open your control center from the top right corner. At last, you will see flashlight icon. If you hit on that, then your flashlight will be on. If you hit on that back again, then your flashlight will be turned off. In this very easy step, you can easily turn and turn off flashlight on your iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.